Have you ever twisted your ankle? If you do, it swells, turns red, and probably really hurts. That response is called inflammation. Inflammation is your body's natural defense against infection and injury, and it helps your body heal. However, if inflammation lasts too long, it can contribute to chronic conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. So how does the body control the inflammation? And how may certain natural compounds influence that process? Well, let's see. Turmeric, or Curcuma longa, is a spice that has been used for centuries in cooking and traditional medicine, particularly in parts of Asia. Curcumin is the main bioactive compound found inside turmeric that contains anti-inflammatory properties. To understand how curcumin affects inflammation, we need to look inside the cell. Inflammation is controlled by signaling pathways, which are chemical messages that tell cells when to produce inflammatory molecules. One key regulator is a protein called NF-kappa B. NF-kappa B kind of acts like a switch. When it's turned on, it activates inflammatory chemicals such as cytokines and enzymes, which are what causes the inflammation. So, what actually turns the switch on? When cells are damaged, they produce free radicals, which are unstable oxygen molecules. When too many free radicals build up, cells experience something called oxidative stress. This oxidative stress can keep the NF-kappa B switch turned on, leading to prolonged inflammation. This is where curcumin can help. Curcumin can help reduce inflammation in two main ways. It can first help reduce the activation of the NF-kappa B protein, and it can second act as an antioxidant, which means it can neutralize the free radicals, which will ultimately lower the amount of oxidative stress. The benefits of curcumin are especially important in a condition like osteoarthritis, which is where the cartilage lining your joints wears away, resulting in joint pain and stiffness. Because cartilage is damaged in osteoarthritis, the immune system responds by activating inflammation. But because the cartilage continues to deteriorate, inflammation is prolonged, causing even more damage and accelerating further cartilage breakdown. Since curcumin makes it harder for the NF-kappa B proteins to activate, inflammation is toned down, which is seen by the reduction in the pro-inflammatory enzymes and cytokines being released. This prevents osteoarthritis from becoming worse. Understanding how curcumin works in the body can help us uncover new ways of treating even more complex and painful medical conditions.